Congratulations! You've made it to the activation stage of your solar journey. Today we're walking through how to safely activate your Tesla inverter photovoltaic-only system so your home can start producing clean energy. First, let's get familiar with the key equipment on your home. Every system looks a little different, so we'll show you what each component looks like. This is your main electrical panel, where your home's breakers are located. This breaker here reconnects your solar system to the home's electrical system. This is labeled photovoltaic power, inverter output, DER system, or something similar, typically located in the lower portion of your main service panel. You may have one or more solar disconnects. These are outdoor switches used to safely isolate the solar system. Some homes also have a sub-panel or a combiner panel. Your home might or might not have any of these items. You could have one of these or all of these components. If your system includes any of these, it will contain additional breakers related to your solar equipment. A sub-panel is simply a smaller electrical panel, added to your home when more breaker space is needed. Your solar system may connect here if your main panel is full. A combiner panel groups multiple solar circuits into one location. If your system has any of these components, you'll see extra breakers inside them, and those will need to be switched on during the activation process. Depending on your jurisdiction, you may only have one meter, or in most cases, you may have 2 meters. One is your main service meter. This is the utility meter your home has always had. It measures how much electricity your home uses from the grid. It's owned by your utility and shows your total household consumption. The second meter is your solar meter, or DER meter. This is your new meter. A solar meter measures how much energy your solar system is producing. This meter is installed as part of your solar setup and is specifically for tracking the output of your panels. This is usually located near the solar equipment. This is your Tesla inverter. It converts the DC energy from your solar panels into AC energy your home can use. To make everything even easier, every installation includes a site map. This is a labeled diagram showing the exact order and location of all the equipment on your home. You can find your site map on the front of your main service panel, so if you're ever unsure where something is, the site map will guide you. Now that you are more familiar with your equipment, let's get started. First, go to your main electrical panel and turn on the backfeed breaker for the solar system. Next, turn on your solar disconnects. Some systems have one, others may have multiple. Turn the red pull switch to the upward or on position. Make sure every disconnect is switched to on. Next, if your solar system includes any additional breaker box or boxes, like sub-panels or combiner panels, turn on all breakers in that panel as well. All breakers need to be on in order for the system to function properly. If your system does not have any of these components, you can skip this step. After these steps are complete, wait at least 5 minutes to let the system boot up and communicate with the rest of your equipment. Once everything is powered on, confirm your system is producing. Keep in mind, if you activate at night or early morning when the sun isn't out, your solar array won't produce until sunlight is available. It's best to check again after the sun comes up. If you have 2 meters, you can check production using your DER or solar meter. Look at your solar meter or dedicated DER meter. If the system is producing, you will see the lines on the bottom moving to the right. Another way you can check production is by using the Tesla mobile app. Download the Tesla mobile app in your app store. You should have gotten an email with your account credentials, including a temporary password, sent to the same email you provided to Our World Energy, and you should be able to sign into the app with those credentials. If you didn't receive this email, open up the Tesla mobile app and tap Sign In. Enter the same email you provided to OWE, then tap Forgot Password, and tap Send Code. Tesla will send a verification code to your email. Enter that code into the on-screen prompt and reset your password. Once you are signed in, you should be able to see your system producing in the app. Make sure your system is connected to Wi-Fi or cellular so production can report properly in the app. If you are having trouble with your Tesla app, please reach out to OWE Customer Care. And that's it. Your solar system is now active.
If you are unsure or want to confirm with the team if your system is producing, you can contact OWE Customer Care or your project coordinator. We're here to help make sure your activation goes smoothly and your system is performing exactly as expected.